Let's explore the SQL IN operator. The IN operator provides an efficient way to check if a value matches any value within a specified list. We will be looking at checking for multiple values efficiently. The IN operator tests whether a value matches any value in a list. It serves as a shorthand for multiple or conditions, making your queries more concise and readable. This operator works with various data types, including numbers and strings. Also, it can be combined with the NOT operator for excluding certain values. A basic syntax of the IN operator can be expressed as select column 1, column 2 from table name where column name IN, and then a list of value 1, value 2, value 3. Let's compare the IN operator with using multiple or conditions. First, using the IN operator, the query would be select employee name department from employees, where department INIT, HR, finance. This provides a concise syntax and better readability. The same query using multiple or conditions would be select employee name department from employees, where department equals IT, or department equals HR, or department equals finance. This is more verbose and harder to maintain, especially when dealing with a large number of conditions. Let's look at an example using numbers. The task is to find products with specific IDs. The SQL query would be select product ID, product name, price from products, where product ID IN 1001, 1008, 1012. The resulting table will show product ID 1001, Laptop Pro, with a price of $1,299.99. Product ID 1008, wireless headphones, with a price of $199.99. And product ID 1012, smartwatch, with a price of $249.99. Let's consider an example using strings. We want to find customers from specific countries. The SQL query would be select customer name, country, city, from customers, where country IN USA, Canada, Mexico, order by country, city. The resulting table includes Maria Rodriguez from Canada, city Toronto; Carlos Ortiz from Mexico, city Mexico City; John Smith from USA, city New York; and Sarah Johnson from USA, city San Francisco. Let's explore how to use the NOT IN operator. Consider the example of finding products not in certain categories. The query would be select product name, category, price, from products, where category not IN electronics, clothing, order by category. The note to remember is that using not IN allows you to exclude multiple values with a single condition, rather than using multiple and clauses with not equal to operators. However, when a list contains null, not IN will return no rows because SQL cannot determine if a value is not equal to null. Consider using is not null in combination with not IN. Let's see how we can use subqueries with the IN operator. For the purpose of finding customers who placed orders in the last month, the SQL query would be select customer ID, first name, last name, email from customers, where customer ID IN open parenthesis, select distinct customer ID from orders, where order date greater than or equal to the 1st of February 2023 and order date less than the 1st of March 2023, close parenthesis. Remember that the IN operator can be used with the results of a subquery, making it powerful for complex filtering operations. This allows you to filter based on a dynamically generated list of values. Let's review some best practices for using the IN operator. For small to medium lists, the IN operator usually performs well. But for very large lists, consider using temporary tables, creating a join operation instead, and limiting subquery results. Watch out for null handling with not IN, case sensitivity in string comparisons, and potential performance issues with very large lists. Some alternatives to consider exist for better performance with large subqueries, join operations for complex relationships, and case expressions for more complex logic. Finally, Keep in mind that the IN operator works well with other SQL clauses such as the where clause, group by after IN filtering, and the having clause. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.